Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. We will continue our introduction to trigonometry chapter, that is our 8th chapter, in that exercise 8.1. From that, let's see our today's 8th question. In before videos we have solved up to 7 questions, and if you want you can subscribe this channel. You are getting full complete course of class 10 CBSE textbooks, all the exercise and everything, all the solutions I will give here. So today let's see 8th question. What is that? If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. What they have given? They have given 3 cot A is equal to 4. From this, cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. And what they told, 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So they asked if this is equal to this or not. We have to just check it if this thing is equal to this. RHS is equal to, LHS is equal to RHS. So in this, let's see, according to this, cot A means cot formula, what is that? B by P. Means we got P and B values. So here B is equal to 4 and P is equal to 3. H we don't know. We'll find out our H, that is triplex for by the PGT, our Pythagorean's theorem. Triplet thing we know that 3, 4, 5 will be obviously our Pythagoras theorem. When we are having 3 and 4, obviously another hypotenuse or another anything, whatever it may be, we must and should we will get 5 only. But still we will check this one. So for this, let's take angle A, B and C. And this is B, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. B is 4, P is 3 and hypotenuse. So square root of H is equal to B square plus P square. So that is 4 square plus 3 square, that is square root of 16 plus 9, that is square root of 25. So H is equal to obviously 5 we got. You all are understanding it one? Okay, so here H is equal to 5 we got. So by this, what is our tan value? Tan A is equal to, what is tan formula? P by B. That is P value is 3 and B value is 4. So, and next what is cos A value? What is we'll find out that one after that. First let's see this only for LHS. First we will solve. LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Is equal to 1 minus tan square A means this one, 3 by 4 whole square, 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16 we got here. Okay. In this, 16 minus 9 divided by 16, 16 plus 9 divided by 16. This thing what we will get, the 16 cancel this one. 16 minus 9 is we are getting as 7 and 16 plus 9 is it's 25. So we got LHS is equal to 7 by 25. So let's see our RHS part. What is that? Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. In this, what is our cos value? What is our cos formula? Cos is B by H, base by hypotenuse. What is our B? B is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. And what is sin value? Sin A is equal to P by H. What is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So let's find out this one. So cos square A RHS is equal to cos square A means 4 by 5 whole square minus sin square A, that is 3 by 5 whole square. 4 square means 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Okay, so 25 both side we are having only 25, so we will get obviously 25 only, both are the same. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 25. So RHS is equal to again 7 by 25. So LHS is equal to 7 by 25 and RHS is equal to 7 by 25. So by this, LHS is equal to RHS and it's our correct relation. It's yes. These two are, check whether these two are, this thing is equal to this thing. So it is equal to each other. Okay. Now let's see our next question, that is our ninth question. In our ninth question, what is that? In triangle ABC, right angle triangle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C cos A into sin C. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So in this one triangle they have given in this question, right angle triangle, one triangle, that is tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 they given. Okay. So from this, what they are asking, they are telling about two things. One is sin A and C. So angle A and angle C we have to find out. Okay, at first let's take from the angle A. This is angle A. Consider it as angle A, B and C. It is the, here it will be base and it is our perpendicular, and here it H. So here again tan A means what is our formula? P by B. So P is equal to 1 and B is equal to square root of 3. So by these two, by PGT we can find out H. What is our H value? Square root of B square plus P square. So square root of B square means what is that? B is equal to square root 3 and P is equal to 1. So square root of 3 whole square plus 1 square, that is square root of 3 plus 1. So it is equal to square root of 4, it is equal to 2. So H is equal to 2 we got. Okay. This thing we got according to angle A. For A we got these things. For A. Again for angle C, in the same thing A, B and C. This angle C, what we will get? This is our base, this is our perpendicular, and hypotenuse is same. Okay. So by this angle A, we can find out sin A is equal to P by H. What is our P? 1 by 2. Cos A is equal to B by H. What is our B? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Next let's see for this angle C. For this angle C, what is our B? B is root 3 and P is, this thing is root 3 is there na. So P is root 3 and B is 1. So for this only this P and B are interchanging, or not this hypotenuse will be same for the both. So P is equal to root 3, B is equal to 1 and H is equal to 2. Here sin A is equal to P by H is there again. P by H means square root of 3 by 2, sin C. Cos C is equal to B by H. B is equal to 1 and H is equal to 2. Okay, we got sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Now let's find out our first thing, that is what is that? Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So sin A value is 1 by 2 into cos C value is 1 by 2 plus cos A value is square root of 3 by 2 into sin C value is square root of 3 by 2. Let's solve this one. It will be 1 by 4 plus here So square root and square root both means square, it will be, square root will be cancelled, so obviously 3 by 4. So here it will be both this down this numerator and denominator, according to this both are 4, both side we are having 4. Again we can add easily directly, that is 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. First thing we got as 1. So in the same way solve our second one. What is that? Cos A into cos C, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A value is square root by, so square root of 3 by 2 into cos C value is 1 by 2 minus sin A value is 1 by 2 into sin C value is square root of 2. By seeing these things, both sides are same thing is there, but still if you want, you are having any doubt, then solve this one again in one more step. Square root of 3 divided by 4 minus square root of 3 divided by 4, it will be obviously 0. I hope you all understood these two questions. Thank you.